Hello, this is Kelly Collins with Kane Careers. Today I will show you how to create your Handshake profile, schedule an appointment with your career coach, and register for events. Using the Handshake link located on www.kanecareers.com, you will be able to create an account and build your profile. Once you have logged in for the first time, you will be able to populate your profile using the My Documents section. Just upload your resume and click the Build Profile Faster in order to build your profile using the information on your resume. Once your basic profile is complete, go in and add some interesting details about your work experience, special projects, classes you have completed, relevant skills you have learned, organizations you are a part of, volunteer experience, and other practical information to help your profile stand out. The more detailed you become, the better Handshake will work for you. Be sure to add a professional headshot as your profile picture. If you need a new headshot, you may visit Helmerich Hall on the second floor in the Professional Presence Office for a free session. Make sure your profile is public so that other students and employers can see your profile. Now that your profile is complete, I will show you how to make an appointment with your career coach. First, go to the University of Tulsa Career Center. Click on Appointments. Go to Schedule a New Appointment, and then click your college. Select a session that you would like to discuss in your meeting. I am choosing Resume Help. Pick an available day and time for your meeting, and then click how you would like to meet with them. Make sure you add what you specifically would like help with. Hit the request, your appointment will be scheduled. You know how to update your profile and schedule appointments. Now let's register for events. On the home page, click the Event tab. Scroll down to the event you would like to attend. And click Register. If you have any questions regarding your Handshake profile, call us at 918-631-2345 or email us at kanecareers@utulsa.edu. You can also visit our website at www.kanecareers.com. Thank you.